Guys, if you're not buying human hair, 100% human hair, please don't buy any hair, because this is just like the synthetic hair you need to buy. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Guys, I'm so happy because I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. Yes, with expression products. You guys won't believe. Please, if you're not buying human hair 100%, don't waste your cash, don't waste your money. This is what you need because it's so soft you wouldn't even know it's expression product. So I'll be showing you how I do that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Consider subscribing and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Also give the video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel also. Yes, so guys, without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. Guys, editing this video, I discovered I lost some part of the video, like the beginning of the video, and it's so painful, like it's paining me. Yeah, but it's okay. So I'm just going to explain with my mouth to tell you what I did to get to this stage. So the product I used is expression product, the white color which you're seeing. So after that, I removed it from the pack and then cut the hair into two parts and then stretch it out. After stretching it out, I combed it, and that's the cap you're seeing is the cap I am using. So I just put it on the dummy's head and then put the pin on it to secure the wig on the head of the mannequin. So that is what I did, and then I start crocheting. I believe you guys know how to crochet, but if you don't know, I'm going to explain right now. As you can see, I'm just trying to put the pin through the net. After putting the pin through the net, I'm just going to put little portion of the hair, braided hair, into the pin and then bring it out from the other side. Put my two hands in between the hair and draw it out. That's just what I'm doing.
yes, so guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing, guys. Please consider subscribing. Help me by subscribing and also share with your loved ones. Let me know what you think about the color I have on my hair. And this is the first time I'm trying white color. I've never done it before, so please let me know what you think. If it's okay, you guys are the judge. Please judge the color on me. Yes, so guys, see you in my next video. I hope you all enjoy the video and enjoy your day as well. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, because I believe you can't go without subscribing. Please subscribe. See you guys. Bye.